While India hopes for peace to return at LOC in Pakistan to honor the sanctity of ceasefire agreement, Islamabad's action do little to generate any confidence. While reports have been coming in of repeated violations by Pakistani troops, Headlines Today has actually got you undeniable proof of the latest ceasefire violation by Pakistani troops at Bolani sector along the LOC. Now, the footage that you can see on your screens has been shot by Headlines Today correspondent. You can hear the gunshots and see the flares go up across the LOC. Gaurav Sawant now joins me from the newsroom. Gaurav, even as Pakistan continues to talk peace, here is undeniable proof, visual proof of how Pakistan is continuing to provoke, how there have been ceasefire violations one after the other over the past 1 week.
Indeed, 5 ceasefire violations in the past 48 hours alone. That is what sources in army headquarters are telling us, and these are images that Pakistan just cannot deny. These are flares that are being fired. Pakistani troops under the cover of darkness trying to push in infiltrators. Now, even as this 1 o'clock Chakandabag meeting, flag meeting was to take place, there was firing going on. So, as far as Pakistan is concerned, peace talks is just a charade. Pakistan army, Pakistan regulars desperately trying to up the ante along the line of control, especially in Uri and in this Krishna Ghati sector here. Krishna Ghati, it's Mender. This is also called the highway for infiltration. So army sources telling us that Pakistan desperately trying to push infiltrators across. There has been movement that has been spotted. When we were speaking to the Chief of the Army Staff, General Bikram Singh, this afternoon, he said even last night there was an engagement where India suspects that at least 3 terrorists or Pakistan army regulars were killed. Of course, bodies haven't been recovered so far. That is why army isn't declaring this officially. But even last night there was an engagement in this sector. So despite the international focus in this area, despite army repeatedly flagging this to the Ministry of Defence and to the Prime Minister's office or Government of India in Delhi, Pakistan continues to violate the sanctity of the line of control. This cross LOC firing is continuing unabated. 117 violations in the last 1 year alone. So that is 1 violation every 3 days. And this is double of what was happening the previous year, where there were 63 violations in the previous year. So as these pictures very clearly show us, Ruchika, Pakistan army is following an agenda, and their agenda is to perhaps shift focus from their internal turmoil. The Chief of the Army Staff also spoke of an inquiry that DG ISI is facing. There's a court case against him. So there is so much internal trouble that the Pakistan army is facing that they're trying to raise the bogey of a conflict with India or a conflict scenario with India, and that is why this is happening along the line of control, especially in the Krishna Ghati sector, especially in the Uri sector.
Right, and this of course has raised fears really, Gaurav, of a ceasefire meltdown, the continuing ceasefire violations that we are seeing. But what you talked about, the other aspect that the army chief as well touched upon this morning when he talked about that how Pakistan is using all this to push terrorists for operations, because that is something Pakistan has been known to do for a very long time, and that also is a very real fear right now.
It indeed is, Ruchika. Now, along this 740-kilometer long line of control, while peace is holding in most areas where Indian army dominates heights, wherever Indian army is dominating, the Pakistan army, peace is holding in that area. Wherever Pakistan army may want to try and push in infiltrators, especially in Uri and in Krishna Ghati, Mender sector, in both these places, under cover of fire assaults, they push in infiltrators. There is a pattern to this. One, firing takes place in an adjoining post so that the army may focus on those in those areas where the Pakistan army will then push in infiltrators. That is one ploy. The second ploy is direct firing mode and push in infiltrators through that.
Right.
This continued even last night. Even last night there was an engagement in which 3 Pakistan army regulars